How to fix Chrome not opening in your Windows. Hi guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing, go into this search here and search for Chrome like this. Click on your right mouse and click on open file location. Click again on your right mouse, open file location, and then click on set up metrics and scroll. Make sure that you have here, as you can see, 98 items, and after that go back and click on your Chrome here, click on your right mouse, click on run as administrator, click yes, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.